Hi everyone, this is Mimi, and today I'm going to be talking about crop tops. They're a huge trend this spring and summer, and I wanted to talk about how to style them so that you're classy and not trashy. First I'm going to be showing you my crop top collection, and then I'm going to be talking about how to style crop tops, and then at the very end of this video there will be a lookbook. The first crop top I'm going to show you is this one. This one is twill. It has a hook and eye, hidden hook and eye front closure, and a very subtle bustier styling. It's also fitted but not tight. The next crop top I have that I'm going to show you is this one. This one is white denim. It has this beautiful little touch of lace at the top, lovely rose gold buttons, adjustable straps, and smocking in the back. This one is also fitted and not tight. My next crop top is this black crop top. It's embroidered, very beautiful, embroidered all the way around, and it's linen. It closes in the back with a separating zipper. It's also fitted. This next crop top is also linen. This one is not fitted. It's actually a loose style crop top, and it has a mock button front closure, pulls over the head. The next two crop tops I'm going to show you are very casual. They're t-shirts. We have this one. It's just a cropped U-necked t-shirt with a little short sleeve, and my last crop top is also a t-shirt. This one is a longer length crop top. It actually stops at the top of my hip bone, just below my waist. So that's this one. Now, these are the style of crop tops I have. But crop tops actually come in everything from literal bra length to, just like the last one I showed you, stopping above the hip. And if you want to be classy when you wear crop tops for every day, the best advice I can give you is to do longer. They should hit the very top of whatever bottom you're wearing. The less skin you show, the more appropriate it is for every day. So the more skin you show, the more you should probably wear it to the beach. And the easiest way to get the effect of showing less skin is to wear a high-waisted bottom. The other tip I want to say when it comes to crop tops is don't go too tight, and don't wear them with low rise. Otherwise, it's not appropriate for every day. You can do low rise in a crop top at the beach if you don't want to wear a bikini, but for everyday walking around, it's not a look to go for. And on to the lookbook that'll show you what I'm talking about.